Hello everyone, welcome to the another session of Python functions. Today we are going to talk about a new function so that we can move a bit forward daily with our learning. So moving over to the next slide, today we are going to talk about callable. So callable function, what does it do? It returns true. If the object which is passed to it returns or has a callable function, it returns false if it does not. There are two clauses that there can be certain circumstances or certain circumstances when the callable function returns true, but it is still you're not able to still call the function, and the calling to the function fails. But one thing is for sure: if it says that it is false, that the callable function returns that callable is false, then the object will never succeed. Calling that object will never succeed. So callable is where we are talking about the class or an object having a call function. So let's go to the coding part of it. So in the coding, we have created these examples here for callable. So the syntax is object callable. So I've defined the function with the name of myfunc, and I'm passing the myfunc to int object, and then I'm getting it true to be callable. I don't have to really create an object. I can even directly call the method and it should return me true. My func is not defined. If I run this, then I run this. So it returns true. Might be that the function did not pass. Then coming to the next part where I'm writing down null value 5 plus 10 and I'm printing it, it is returning me a false because this int does not have a call function. I'm showing you that at the bottom, although the print can show us the value. So you can see here, if I talk about the help int, I'm getting the complete class of int, but this class of int doesn't have a call function. It goes from boolean to ceiling and then div mode. So that's the reason you find it not there. Then I've defined a class which has a defined call, and when I try to print the class, it returns me a true. So it's applicable on the classes as well. So that's the example, and that's the part that I wanted to show you. I'll be sharing a lot of information, as in I'll be sharing the links and everything in the description of the video. So with the hope that we have moved a bit forward in our learning today, I thank you for listening and being part of it. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.